Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Compliance Tools in AWS. Compliance tools in AWS are essential for organizations aiming to adhere to various regulatory standards and maintain robust security postures in the cloud. AWS offers a suite of services and features designed to facilitate compliance with a broad spectrum of regulatory requirements, including GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. These tools not only help in maintaining compliance, but also streamline the auditing process, ensuring that organizations can meet their compliance obligations efficiently. AWS Artifact is one of the primary tools available for managing compliance documentation. It provides on-demand access to AWS's security and compliance reports, such as SOC reports, PCI reports, and certifications from the ISO. These reports are crucial for organizations that need to provide evidence of their compliance to auditors or regulatory bodies. By offering a centralized repository of compliance documentation, AWS Artifact simplifies the process of evidence gathering and reduces the administrative burden associated with regulatory compliance. Another critical tool in the AWS compliance ecosystem is AWS Config. AWS Config continuously monitors and records AWS resource configurations, allowing organizations to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations against their internal policies and regulatory requirements. It provides a detailed view of the configuration history and changes, enabling organizations to detect non-compliant resources promptly. AWS Config rules can be customized to enforce specific compliance requirements, ensuring that any deviation from the defined standards triggers an alert or remediation action. AWS CloudTrail is indispensable for tracking user activity and API usage across an AWS environment. It records and logs all API calls made within an AWS account, providing a comprehensive audit trail that is essential for compliance audits. By leveraging CloudTrail, organizations can monitor access to sensitive data, detect unauthorized access attempts, and ensure that all operations are compliant with their security policies and regulatory requirements. The detailed logs generated by CloudTrail are crucial for forensic investigations and can be used to demonstrate compliance during audits. AWS Security Hub is another powerful tool that provides a comprehensive view of an organization's security posture across their AWS accounts. It aggregates and prioritizes security findings from various AWS services, such as Amazon Guard Duty, Amazon Inspector, and AWS Config, into a single dashboard. Security Hub uses automated compliance checks based on industry standards and best practices, such as the CIS AWS Foundation's benchmark, to identify potential security issues. By consolidating security findings and providing actionable insights, AWS Security Hub enables organizations to address compliance gaps and improve their overall security posture. AWS also offers specialized compliance programs for specific industries. For instance, AWS Healthcare Compliance enables organizations to build and deploy applications that store, process, and transmit protected health information in accordance with HIPAA and high-tech regulations. AWS provides a business associate addendum that outlines the responsibilities of AWS as a cloud service provider and the customer's obligations for maintaining HIPAA compliance. This program includes additional security controls, such as encryption and access management, to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of PHI. Encryption is a fundamental aspect of compliance. An AWS Key Management Service provides a scalable and secure solution for managing cryptographic keys. KMS allows organizations to create and control the cryptographic keys used to encrypt their data, ensuring that sensitive information is protected both at rest and in transit. By using KMS, organizations can enforce strict access controls and audit key usage, which are essential for meeting various regulatory requirements, such as GDPR's data protection principles. Moreover, AWS provides numerous tools to support continuous compliance and automate compliance checks. AWS Config Conformance Packs are pre-built collections of AWS config rules and remediation actions that can be deployed to ensure compliance with specific regulatory frameworks. These conformance packs help organizations quickly align their AWS environments with industry standards, reducing the time and effort required to achieve and maintain compliance. AWS Control Tower offers a comprehensive solution for setting up and governing a secure, multi-account AWS environment based on AWS best practices. It automates the creation of a landing zone, which is a pre-configured environment that complies with AWS's security and compliance guidelines. Control Tower provides guardrails that enforce compliance policies across all accounts within the landing zone, ensuring that any new resources or accounts adhere to the established standards. This level of automation and governance is crucial for organizations managing large-scale AWS deployments. Additionally, AWS Audit Manager simplifies the auditing process by automating the collection of evidence required for audits. It continuously assesses AWS usage against predefined controls based on industry standards and regulations, generating audit-ready reports that can be used to demonstrate compliance. By reducing the manual effort involved in evidence collection and assessment, Audit Manager helps organizations maintain a continuous state of audit readiness. One notable example of AWS compliance tools in action is Capital One's use of AWS CloudTrail and AWS Config to meet their regulatory requirements. Capital One, a major financial institution, leveraged these tools to monitor and log all changes to their AWS resources, ensuring that they could quickly detect and respond to any non-compliant activities. This proactive approach enabled Capital One to maintain a robust compliance posture and avoid potential regulatory penalties. Statistics further underscore the importance of AWS compliance tools. According to a survey by IDC, 75% of organizations reported that using AWS compliance services significantly improved their ability to meet regulatory requirements. Additionally, organizations leveraging AWS compliance tools experienced a 40% reduction in the time and effort required for compliance audits, highlighting the efficiency gains achieved through automation and centralized management of compliance data. In conclusion, AWS provides a comprehensive suite of compliance tools that help organizations meet their regulatory obligations and maintain a strong security posture. AWS Artifact, AWS Config, AWS CloudTrail, AWS Security Hub, and specialized compliance programs are just a few examples of the resources available to support compliance efforts. By leveraging these tools, organizations can streamline the auditing process, enforce compliance policies, and ensure the protection of sensitive data. The integration of automated compliance checks and continuous monitoring further enhances the ability to maintain compliance in dynamic cloud environments. As demonstrated by the example of Capital One and supported by industry statistics, AWS compliance tools are indispensable for organizations aiming to achieve and sustain compliance in the cloud. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.